Hi kids, I'm Daisy. Come a little closer to the screen. A little closer, a little closer. Perfect, right there. Don't blink your eyes because today we are going on an adventure so bright and magical, you won't believe it. But wait, to open the magic door to this adventure, I need your help. Are you ready to send me your superpowers? Put your hand up to the screen and give me a giant high five. High five! Awesome! I felt that magic energy. Now take a deep breath in and let's count down from 3. 3, 2, 1. Hold on tight. The fun is starting. Welcome to Alphabet Town, a sunny, colorful place bursting with joy in every corner. Accompanied by upbeat marching music, our superstars pop onto the stage one by one. Our energetic letter Andy smiles and says, A, Andy! A is for apple! Right behind him, Buddy brings joy to the screen with his warm hugs. Buddy! Red! Along with Charlie, who loves to sing, Charlie! And how could we forget our numbers? Up front, bouncing happily, number 1 Pip, carrying number 2 Toby, and the highest jumper, number 3 Ziggy, join us one after another. Just then, cheerful Andy's tummy starts to rumble, and he notices a huge, bright red apple on top of the hill. Saying, A, apple! I'm so hungry! He jumps toward the apple, but it is so high up that he just can't reach it. Orange. Buddy adjusts his glasses and starts to think, how can we reach this apple? Charlie steps forward joyfully and does a silly dance, saying, maybe if we dance, the apple will fall on its own. But the apple stays completely still on the branch. That's when the number team springs into action. Pip stands at the bottom. Toby climbs on top of him. And bouncy Ziggy jumps all the way to the top. Pink! A wonderful number tower is formed. Andy climbs up this tower, grabs the giant apple, and they all cheer together. Teamwork makes the dream work. 1, 2, 3, hooray! With full tummies, our happy crew looks up at the sky and sees colorful balloons floating by. Every balloon has a magical letter or number on it. Yellow! Andy catches the A balloon, and Charlie catches the C balloon. When the balloons gather together in the sky, a magnificent A, B, C, 1, 2, 3 show begins. The adventure wraps up with a grand party. An upbeat, catchy pop rhythm begins to play in the town square. Blue! Charlie shouts excitedly, time for the freeze dance! When the music stops, freeze! Green! As the music plays, Andy, Buddy, Charlie, Pip, Toby, and Ziggy bounce happily. And when the music stops, they freeze in funny poses. Waving at the screen together and wiggling their googly eyes, they say goodbye to the kids. See you next time, Super Friends! See you in the next video, kids!